Hey aviators, Mr. L here. They asked me to do a video over soccer or basketball, and I chose basketball because that's been my sport since 3rd grade. So what I'm going to teach you today is how to shoot a basketball. As I was growing up, they taught me this acronym, which is BEEF, B-E-E-F. So the first B, or the B, stands for balance, and I'll get up here in just a little bit to show you what I mean. And then the E, the first E, means elbow in. Then the second E is eyes on target, and finally the F stands for follow through. So let's get started. So the B, again, is balance. What you want to do when you're shooting is you want to make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart. And you want to make sure that if you shoot with your right hand, that your right foot is slightly ahead of your left foot. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and let me bring this down so you can see. So I'm right-handed. I'm gonna put my right foot slightly ahead of my left foot, and then at the same time about shoulder width apart. The first D, elbow in. So when you shoot, you want to make sure that when you shoot, your elbow is in. Your shooting elbow. You don't want it to be flying out like this, or you don't want it too in. You want it right into like your ribs, right into your rib cage. But what I have noticed personally, I like to just what feels right. So mine is kind of just a little out. But still, I'm not way out here. I'm still in the pocket. And so when you shoot, you want to make sure that your elbow is in. Next one, once we get onto the basketball court, it's going to be eyes on target. So you just want to make sure for that you're always looking at what you're shooting at. And in this case, I'm about to go shoot at that basketball goal. And then your follow through. As you follow through, as you shoot, you want to make sure that at the very top of your shot, that you flick your wrist. As you let the ball go, you're gonna flick your wrist. Let me see if I can get out to where y'all can all see me. So again, when I go out there, I'm gonna first get my balance, my elbow in, and it's okay. Remember, it's okay if it's out just a little bit. I don't expect you to be right in, but keep it in. Don't let it go out. Don't let it come in like this. So keep it in. And then I'm gonna look at my target, and then I'm gonna follow through. And then remember, at the follow through, you're gonna flick your wrist. So now you know how to shoot a basketball using the acronym BEEF. B, balance. E, elbow in. E, eyes on target. F, follow through. And then remember, at the end of your follow through, you're going to flick your wrist. So I hope you find this tutorial useful and that you're able to go out and shoot a couple of baskets during your downtime, especially since you know, with the time nowadays, you know, most people are stuck inside the house, and hopefully this will encourage you to go out and, you know, try something different and enjoy it. Please don't hesitate if there's another video that you would like me to or another aspect of basketball that you would want me to show you. I'll be glad to, so please don't hesitate. And I hope you're staying safe, healthy, and that y'all are keeping up with y'all's schoolwork. But most importantly, staying healthy and safe.